Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and in today's video, I'm really excited about today's video because I want to show you what I got in my mystery bag for Valentine's Day for Juvia's place. So I just got this in and I wanted to show you because the last time that I checked, they still had these available if you wanted to pick one up. They are $15 on the Juvia's Place website. So what came in this mystery bag bundle? Well, you got a Juvia's Place. This is the Juvia's Place 01 highlighter brush, and it looks like this. Really nice brush. I'm loving the purple on the handle of the brush, but just a really nice brush that you can use for highlighter, for powder under the eyes. It works really great for that as well. You can get right in there. So a lot of different uses that you can use this brush for. It's a really nice size. So loving that. Then we got, guys, a lip pencil. And this is just absolutely some of the best lip pencils ever. As a matter of fact, I can just definitely say that the Juvia's Place lipsticks, lip products, they really are as good, if not better, than most high-end lippies that I own. I really love their lip liners. I really love their lip liners. The only thing that I can say is that if they had have been designed with a little bit more room in the top of the cap, that would have been better, because when you have these out like this and then you put the cap on, there's no extra give room in the cap and you smash the end of it and then you lose that product. So you have to remember to roll it back down. But I got the shade Scorpio. I'm really excited about this shade because it is a deep plum wine purple, and I really don't have anything that is that shade. And with any of my darker lipsticks, I really need some darker lip liners. So this is what that darker shade's looking like. I think I'll get a lot of use out of that. Really, really love these lip liners. Really, really like that. So then we got the It's Electric gloss, and it looks like this. And I actually already have this one, so I'm not going to open it. It's just a beautiful gold colored lip gloss. So I'm actually not opening this one. I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway. So I'm leaving that all sealed up. Then the palette that we got is the Queen palette, Fumi times Juvia's. And it looks like this. And I think that this is so pretty. So let me give you some swatches of this, especially all of the bright colors. I'm just thinking it's absolutely gorgeous. So it has this bright purple shade in it called Adrian. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Then Olay, this really bright red. That would look so good with what I'm wearing today. Oh, wow. I should have used that. Then Glam, which is a shimmer, a cinnamon shimmer. Then FDV Approved, which is just another beautiful shimmer. Then Sister to Sister. Oh, that is a gorgeous color. Oh, so pretty. And then Seven, which is a bright fuchsia. I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to have this in my collection. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm just loving it. So that is the palette that came in the box. And then the other thing that I ordered was I did go ahead and pick up the Vanessa palette. And guys, this is so pretty. I can't wait to use that. The two shades that I'm really excited about in here is called Perfectionist. I haven't seen one that looks like this from Juvia's Place yet. And it's just beautiful. It's kind of marbled in the pan, but oh, isn't that pretty? And then Extra. There's this shade called Extra, and it's so pretty. So I'm really excited about the Vanessa palette. It's just beautiful. So cannot wait to use that one. And then I got this really dark matte lipstick. My friend was telling me about it. She said this is what everybody's loving these days. So I was like, okay, I'll try this. It's called, I think it's called Doo Doo. I don't know what it's called. Doo Doo. I don't know. It's spelled D-U-D-U. Let me know how to, I know I'm saying this wrong, so let me know in the comments how to say this. But it's like a black liquid lipstick. And I was like, well, I should get it from Juvia's because Juvia's is very, very inexpensive. But it's called like Doo Doo. But I don't know how to say it. Spelled, let me see. I don't know what it's called, but it's spelled Doo Doo. So you'll have to let me know what you think. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Can I wear this? Can I pull this off? How do you say the name? What is this? I don't know. Tell me how you like it. That is my Juvia's Place mystery bag haul. What do you think about it? What do you think of the products for $15? I'm liking it. I tell you, I'm liking it. So yeah, I may have just picked another one up for a giveaway coming soon. I'm anxious to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you're having great fun during February, the month of love. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I would love it if you become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. It's really easy. All you gotta do is click on the big red subscribe button down below. I look so forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.